Hello, dear tutor. This is Jennifer again, and this time I would like to talk about La Candelaria, this historical neighborhood located in Bogota, DC. Picturesque a few places, its narrow streets and its ancient facades invite you to a pleasant tour to discover the history of the city. La Candelaria history in Bogota begins when in the year 1538 and before the arrival of the Spanish, Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada found what would become in Bogota city. A year later, the current Plaza de Bolívar was found, and it is when the first route of the city is made. It is said that at first the square was formed by 12 huts. Next to the square, it built the main church that years later would become the primary cathedral of Bogota. Little by little, the city was growing, and that was how both to the square and the cathedral became the traditional town center. Over the years, the area was growing, and there were installed other important buildings such as el Congreso de la República, el Palacio de Justicia, la Alcaldía Mayor, el Colegio Mayor de San Bartolomé, and la Casa del 20 de Julio, where the Independence Scream happened. This is how La Candelaria was transformed into the political center of the city and is now part of the country's historical heritage. Okay, that is was that is that that is all for now. See you in a next record, in the next video, in a next task. Have a nice night. Bye bye.